Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.